Just leaving the house here now, heading down to Costco, big box store, in search of green beans for Luna. We're on Interstate 26 here, headed east to Spartanburg. Heading to the Costco store mostly. I think we may stop somewhere else, but I'm not sure. It's rainy, overcast, it's 70 degrees. Figure we take the pups today. They love going in the car. There's Hank and Luna, zonked out as usual. We've arrived here at Costco, and of course pups are in the back. So what you do is hit the little fan here, hit dog mode, and when you get out, the car remains on dog mode, nice and cool for the pups. The things you find at Costco.
Absolutely. No bones about it.
We're in the cold room. It's a big giant room here. It's about, I don't know, 40 degrees in here. Kind of keeps all the vegetables and stuff nice and cool. Yeah, we just came for a few things. Remember that. Just a few things. And we're not even done. Here's a question for today. Is all this stuff and our two dogs going to fit in the Model Y? I think it'll handle it no trouble. If all this stuff fits in the Model Y and two dogs and two people, we are good. Well, there you go. A shopping cart, or as they say here in the South, a buggy, completely full, and shouldn't be any trouble putting it in the Model Y. And two dogs. Okay, here's the Model Y, and I parked it way in the back. So we're gonna do a summon here now. I don't know if everybody has seen that happen, but here's the app. Go here, we go to the Model Y and try to get the shadow out of it. Hit summon, it communicates with the car, and then you press the little up arrow here. The mirrors go in, and you hold this down, and the car moves up. And you say that's enough so I can get the groceries in and the dogs out. It's that simple. What's all that for? You guys ready to go back in the car? Is it hot out here? All right, hold on. Yeah, the Model Y has a bunch of stuff in here, but you can see there's plenty of room for the pups up front. Down below it's full, but we're good. Okay, you guys, how's space back there? Got enough room, Luna? Hank, got enough room? I bet you do. All right, I think we're ready to roll here. We're full. We're loaded and ready to go. Our next stop will be Ingles, a grocery store located near the house. Let's go. Back on Interstate 26, headed east. Looks like clouds are breaking up. Seeing some blue sky now, which is great. Our stop at Ingles is done. A couple bags more of goodies. On the way home now. After a day out, here's what you do. Press the button, charge your car. That's it. It'll be ready for you in the morning, all ready to go. Turn green, green machine. I'm back home now. 51.2 miles, 15 kilowatt hours used at a rate of 290 watt hours per mile. Not bad. Took the dogs. Dogs always love to ride here in the Tesla. My wife and I and the dogs went down to Costco. We did some needed shopping, filled up the car with no issues. Back home now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, hit subscribe, and to not miss anything going forward, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.